just got off the phone with one of my homeboys who just asked me, am I good? Because last night we went to celebrate my late birthday because, on my actual birthday, everybody was working. It just didn't align the schedule. So we decided to celebrate it yesterday. And, my homeboy decided, he said he was going to pick me up. And I already knew what was going to go on. You feel me? Anytime he says he's going to pick me up, because usually I drive, I got my own car. I can drive. If he says he's going to pick me up, that means he's going to try to get me drunk. You feel me? So my homeboy, Jordan, was buying me drinks all night. And every single time he said, do I want another drink? I said, yeah, let me get another one. Yeah. I was just drinking. Like, they kept giving me more and more alcohol. And, I get it. That's just the human thing to do is to, get lit for your birthday, whatever. But, it's so low vibrational, bro. After I got drunk, I don't even remember half the fucking night. Why would I not want to remember the experiences I had? Nigga, what the fuck? It's like you literally black out. Why would I want to experience that? I don't understand why you people, why do you humans do this shit, bro? That shit is low vibrational as fuck, bro. Yesterday was so productive for me. I woke up early and I was making a course, basically, a beginning course for people that want to learn Forex, like I talked about in the last video, right? So I'm making this course. And then after I make that course, what did I do? I set up a few more things in the Discord. I filmed a YouTube video. All this before I actually went out to go drink and stuff like that. You know what I did today? I woke up late as fuck. I shouldn't have cursed, but well. I woke up late as fuck. And all I've been doing all day is trying to throw up and try to fix it. I have this detox drink I made of the kale and celery and what else I put in there? Carrots, cucumber, and pineapples. Bruh, why would I want to waste my time drinking? I don't understand why y'all do this to yourself, bruh. I've wasted all of my whole day drinking. Because of what happened last night. It's it makes me unproductive. I don't and I think I'm done with it, bro. I think I'm done drinking. I don't think I want to feel this way ever again because it just doesn't make sense to me. I just don't see the point in this because my stomach is still a little bubbly, bro. I still feel like I might want to throw up again, bro. But I'm just trying my best not to throw up because then I'm gonna throw up all the stuff that I put in my body to help it. You feel me? My body knows it's a toxin and it wants to throw it up. Why would I put this in my body? I don't I really, all you drinkers, please explain to me why you do this to yourself. I don't get it. Because it's just it's just a waste of time to me. At least with weed, you don't fucking wake up the next day throwing up and feeling sick. You know what I'm saying? It's just, this is dumb. But it's besides the point, bro. Let me get off that rant, bro. You feel me? I just think it just doesn't make sense, But right now I'm driving to go pick up some bread for my dad, actually. He's about to give me $1,000 because, he's seeing my progress in Forex and everything like that. And he wants to help fund it. He's just yo, if you're flipping accounts like this, if you're able to go from 60 to 600 or, 60 to 400, what I'm saying? If you're able to make these type of gains, imagine what you could do with $1,000. You know what I'm saying? So, and it's a beautiful thing that my dad believes in me so much that he's willing to fund this. Give me $1,000. You know what I'm saying? Because he's trying to save up to buy another truck. You know what I'm saying? And he could save that money to buy his truck. You know what I'm saying? But he instead is investing in his child. And I think that's a beautiful thing. And it's going to put a little bit of pressure on me, but I don't fold under pressure. You know what I'm saying? And how do I know I don't fold under pressure? Because I said so. Nigga, the power of the tongue is so powerful. You know what I'm saying? The tongue is so powerful. And I'm not going to fold. You know what I'm saying? He's going to give me this money. I'm going to put it in my Forex account. And I'm going to flip that. If I'm able to go to 60 to fucking 600, I can go from 1,000 to 5,000 in probably a day. You know what I'm saying? But I would have to over leverage like crazy. You know what I'm saying? But I believe in myself. I know I can do that. My father believes in me and he knows I can do that. I have 20 people signed up in my Discord that want to learn the same skill from me, meaning they believe in me too. So I ain't gonna let you down either. You know what I'm saying? And if you're watching this video right now and we have the class is gonna be at 7 p.m. today. Today's Sunday, the 28th, I want to say. I want to say, is it the 27th? I think today's the 27th. But if you're watching this video and we already had that class, you can still join the Discord. There's going to be more events. You know what I'm saying? So if you want to learn how to make some money, because I be doing this shit in my sleep. I place a trade right before bed. That's when London session hits, because it'd be like 3 a.m. That's when the banks over in London and Britain are open. You feel me? But obviously our time, that's like 3 a.m. I'm not about to stay up all night just for this. You know what I'm saying? So I analyze the charts the night before. I see what I think it's gonna do. Usually what I say it's gonna do, it does. You know what I'm saying? So I place my trade. I wake up in the morning and I just see green. I see money. You know, that must be such a beautiful. It's a beautiful feeling. You feel me? Don't you want to feel that too? I just want financial freedom for like all of me and all of my gods. That's all it is. I don't want to see the people around me struggling with money, because my homeboy Blanco, my engineer basically for my music, I can barely record with him because he's always working. He has somewhat of freedom, but at the same time, like, someone is still telling him when to be at work. Someone is still telling him where to be, and someone is telling him when he can leave. He doesn't necessarily have freedom. You know what I'm saying? He can stay at home and they just call him, and then he drives over to wherever they need him to fix whatever projector. But at the same time, it's like, yo, like, it would be better if I could learn Forex, which I already have, master it, which I feel like I'm in the process of doing, but at the same time, you can't really master anything. You're always going to learn more and more. You're always going to get better. You're always going to evolve, to innovate and evolve. You know what I'm saying? A slogan of my country. You know what I'm saying? But like, at the same time, if I learn Forex and I master this, I can teach him this. And then he won't have to work that job anymore. And we can sit around and we can make more music together. You feel me? Do what we actually love to do. That's the point of life. Why are we working so much? It's like so much of our life goes into work. Like, I was complaining in, I forgot what day it was, but it was one of the previous videos. I spent like from 6 a.m. all the way to 7 p.m. like over 12 hours at my job, because they needed me there to stay. You feel me? According to my contract, I'm obligated to stay during high season or whatever. You know what I'm saying? Like, that is ultimate control and slavery, and I don't want to subject myself to that. You know what I'm saying? Like, I really wanted to film this video at home like I usually do, in the comfort of my home, you know, the usual, you know what I'm saying? But I couldn't, because like, I'm on a time crunch right now. I have 2 hours to go pick up my father, bring him back to his house. He's gonna give me the money, and then I have to drive back home and make sure I'm there before 7 p.m. for all the people that are gonna be a part of that class. I have obligations now, you know what I'm saying? I have responsibilities to do, and I have commitments that I've done, like for example, this challenge and this YouTube challenge. And I just feel like I'm on a time crunch, and I needed to figure out another way to do this video. And if I wasn't drunk last night, I would have woke up early like I usually do, and I would have had a more productive day. I probably would have got this done at like 1 p.m. Maybe even earlier, who knows, you know what I'm saying? Like, but because I was drunk, because of those stupid decisions I made last night, those low vibrational decisions I made last night, it put me in a low vibration for this day, and it wasted a lot of my time. It made me unproductive. So now I'm filming this video on my phone, and it is what it is. It is what it is. Because at the end of the day, as long as I put a video out, that's all that matters. Because I've committed to this so much that I cannot stop. I can't. Like, it would hurt me if, one, I jacked off and released, because it's just like I let not only myself down, but I let all of you down. And I don't want to miss a video, because it's like I've never been this consistent in my life. Never. Y'all know me. Y'all know me. I've never posted 9 days in a row on this channel. I am so inconsistent. But it seems like I've entered a new dimension. You know what I'm saying? I want to stay in that high dimension. I want to stay in that higher frequency. I don't want to do low vibrational shit like drink, get hung over, and waste my time. I want to stay productive. I want to stay on this grind, because what I feel like I'm building is the life I've always wanted to live. So if you want to live the life you've always wanted to live, I recommend you go on semen retention. I recommend you commit to something. I recommend you build discipline. And I recommend you join that Discord. I believe we are 97 gods strong. I can't wait to see where we at 365. Y'all stay up.